Ruben is cooking. Cooking with Ruben. Oh, you got a lot of stuff for them, huh? Is that the pork from yesterday? It's good, honey. Oh, I was looking for the top part to put the potatoes in yesterday. I just couldn't find it. That's why I just threw it all in one pan. Right? Oh. No water today.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works. No showering. Nope. No flushing toilet.
Close the door.
Close the door. What? Nope. I think it's because it rained so much yesterday, huh? What do you think? Because it rained like for 5 or 6 hours straight, really heavy. Maybe something got clogged up. Gonna get bananas on the table. Got some bread. Doesn't look like it's. Oh, this is wet. Oh, the moped got all wet. I'll have to go wash that off with my towel. Let's see. I skip the seat. I don't know if it's going to be sunny later or not. Oh gosh, that's all wet. All right. Good. Oh, there's a lizard. Oh, until next time. Not what's going on.